Hi guys, my name is Sheikh Chan Basha. You can simply call me Chanu, and today topic is target costing. Before going to explain what is target costing, I'll provide you the basic introduction as well as history of target costing. So during 1960s, there is a difficult market condition in Japan, even though they are experiencing shortage of various resources and skills needed for development of new concepts, tools and techniques. So in this context, target costing, which is a new tool of management, has emerged and widely practiced in more than 80% of assembly industries and 60% of processing industries. This new concept is developed in win the competitors by maintaining good quality at lower cost with maximum productivity. So the key points are, so target cost was introduced in 1960s by Japanese, and they are the target costing is widely practiced in more than 80% of assembly industries and 60% of processing industries, and this concept was introduced to win the competitors by maintaining good quality and at lower cost and to get maximum productivity. Why target costing? In industries such as FMCG, construction, healthcare, and energy, so competition is so intense in that prices are determined by supply demand in the market, and hence producer can't control selling prices. They can only control the cost. So management focus is influence every component of cost. So the key objective of target costing is to enable management to use proactive cost planning, cost management, cost reduction practices where costs are planned and calculated early design and development cycle rather than during the later stage of product development and product design. So the main intention of target costing is to set the cost, to calculate the cost not before the product development and production. So it should be an design and development cycle. So the cost should be set before the design and development cycle, not from the product development and production. So here I provided the basic definition of target costing. You're gonna look at here is the basic definition. Target costing is a process of developing cost for a product or services based on market driven considerations. So a method that allows firm to provide consumers with product that they want at price they can afford and still earn desired financial returns. And you can also see the another example, and target cost is the provide the desired profit on a product when seller doesn't have control over the product prices. So target cost is nothing but to set the uh, cost of particular product. Before that you need to choose the market price and desired profit, so the target cost should be achieved. So it is highly competitive market. Price is largely determined by supply and demand and must control cost to earn profits. So here the basic example I also provided. We're gonna look at how we can calculate target costing. So target cost is nothing but selling price minus profit margin. So selling price is nothing but desired selling price. Uh, we're gonna look at the basic example here. So target costing, once the target cost is set, the next step is to determine whether it is feasible to design, develop, manufacture and deliver the product at the target cost. Here you can see the cost reduction goals are also given. So first you need to set target cost, after that design product, after that you need to develop process, after that you need to estimate cost, after that make a product. So here you can see these are the cost reduction goals. Cost reduction goals are nothing but compare the estimated cost with the target cost to see if cost reduction is necessary. Thank you for watching our video.